Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by focusing on what clients actually pay for. List 1 to 3 concrete skills you can deliver today. Once done, create a simple portfolio page or one-page PDF showing those skills and 2 short case examples. This builds credibility without experience. Make sure your email and LinkedIn look professional and prepare 3 reusable templates: an outreach message, an invoice, Form 1099 aware, and a daily task checklist. These first actions get you client-ready within days, not months. Next, you execute targeted outreach and validation. Send 30 personalized messages per week. Open with a client-relevant detail in the first 2 lines so you stand out. Once you get replies, propose a paid 1 to 2 hour trial or a low-cost $15 introductory task to lower their risk. Deliver within 24 to 48 hours and include 1 revision. This proves reliability. Make sure to request a short testimonial and permission to use the task in your portfolio once they're happy. To finish, you convert one-off wins into repeat income by standardizing packages, hourly, weekly blocks, and a simple retainer with explicit deliverables. Once packages exist, automate scheduling, invoicing, and onboarding using your templates so every new client receives the same smooth start. If problems arise, troubleshoot quickly. Ask clarifying questions, reset expectations, and offer a partial refund or an extra task to resolve the issue. Make sure to document fixes so the same problem doesn't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.